Y'all, I'm here at Costco and I have got a deal to tell you about. Check out this 36-inch Blackstone griddle. Costco ordered way too many of these things, and so they're passing on the savings to you to try to get them off the shelf. They have them on sale for $80 off their regular price, so $320. This is a steal of a deal. It's similarly priced to the cheaper one that you can get at Walmart, but it comes with so much more. For example, this one has the attached hood, and it has this front shelf where you could store all your stuff. It has these hooks that you can hang all of your accessories on. It also has the magnetic strip over on the side. All these features set this above and beyond anything that you can get anywhere else, especially for this price range. They have tons of them in your local Costco. This is available in store only. You guys go check it out and pick one up. Perfect Christmas gift.